past is filled with things I won't forget. I used So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always.
Hello, welcome to... Now I've got rid of that irritating person. Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. Thank you for joining us today. Today I am basically going to design and plan out the steering rack on the CAD system. Not sponsored by them, so don't worry. Just go through and make sure you keep up with it. Any ideas, tricks or things, please comment in the comment section. Let's delete my brother. So this bit is a bit slow. We're going through building the actual column bearings and stuff like that, but we will be sped up.
Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
So yes, I know I'm a little bit picky. I like to make the bearings as well, so you can see everything built together.
Figure out what you like and find your limits, don't be rigid, always.
So basically this bit I am making the tube so we can get two bearings, so you've got a stronger support area for the bearing and the steering column, so you don't get much shaking and stuff like that, which was on the previous design or the previous build that was done. It's also better for somebody that likes to hang on the steering wheel when they've gone a little bit too fast around the corner. Not saying I ever do that.
And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So this bit we're just basically finalising, copying both ends, so you've got like a pivot point in the middle where it's going to mount onto the actual car. Somewhere here I'll pop up where the mount is on the car so you can see where it's going to mount to. I'm going to probably chop that and move that across a little bit to in line with the new holes that we've drilled, and that will probably pop up here as well.
Maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see.
Now I'm basically designing the bracket for the bulkhead. So you've got your pivot points totally taken out the steering wheel, so you've got a really solid securing area for the steering wheel and the column. So when you go around corners you can feel the road properly, not like the one before when you hit a bump or something and it was guess where you land.
I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So as you can see, it's going to be quite strong on the bulkhead area of the car, so you shouldn't get any wobble. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Next video we'll basically be making the bracket